Today, we're diving into some fascinating Python tricks that can elevate your programming skills and make your code cleaner and more efficient. Python is known for its simplicity, but there are many hidden features that can help both beginners and experienced coders alike. By exploring these lesser-known tricks, you'll be able to write more Pythonic code and impress your peers with your knowledge. One of the first tricks we'll discuss involves list comprehensions, a concise way to create lists. Instead of writing lengthy loops to populate a list, you can utilize the power of list comprehensions to streamline your code. For example, if you want to create a list of squares from 1 to 10, you could use the expression x2 for x in range 1, 11. This not only makes the code shorter, but also enhances readability, allowing others to quickly grasp your intentions. Another neat feature in Python is the use of the enumerate function. When working with lists, it's common to need both the index and the value of each element. Instead of using a traditional loop with a counter, you can simply employ enumerate. For instance, iterating through a list with for index, value in enumerate mylist gives you direct access to both the index and the item. This is a great way to avoid common pitfalls and keeps your code more Pythonic. Next, let's talk about the zip function. When you need to combine elements from multiple lists, zip is your best friend. It takes 2 or more iterables and returns a zip object, which can be easily converted into a list of tuples. For example, if you have 2 lists, names and ages, using list, zip, names, ages, we'll create a list of pairs, making data manipulation much simpler. This function is especially useful in data analysis, where you need to correlate multiple datasets. Finally, the with statement is a powerful feature in Python that simplifies file handling. It ensures that resources are properly managed, even if exceptions occur during file operations. By using with open, filed txt, r as file, you don't have to worry about explicitly closing the file afterward. Python handles that for you. This helps prevent resource leaks and keeps your code cleaner and more maintainable. In conclusion, exploring these Python tricks can significantly enhance your programming efficiency and proficiency. From list comprehensions and enumerate to zip and the with statement, these features can help you write cleaner, more effective code. As you continue to learn and grow in your Python journey, keep experimenting with these techniques, and you'll discover an even deeper appreciation for this versatile programming language. Happy coding!